Well, guys, as you can see from those first couple of clips, a tornado did hit my town last night. It did not hit my house directly, although it sounded like in the middle of the night our roof was going to blow off. It was absolutely crazy. It's not really been confirmed whether it's a tornado or straight line winds, but I'm sure from the footage that I got, it is definitely a tornado. So I figured what we would do today is I do have some damage at my house. I'm going to go get some supplies, but while I do that, I figured I would take you guys around and kind of show you some more of the damage. I also have, my brother-in-law has a drone, so I got some footage there. So let's hop in the CTS-V and let's go take a look at some of the damage. parking lot of a place that's kind of close to me, and about 2 years ago they had a fire, and this place is set with the roof off from the fire for quite a while, but they literally 1 week ago put a new roof on this, and check this out. It is absolutely crazy. It took the roof completely off. They just finished it, literally just finished it last week, and back to scratch. It is absolutely terrible. Well, guys, we are back with the stuff that I need, and we are really fortunate here. No big damage here, just minor stuff. But word is that somebody did lose their life in the hotel pictures that I showed you. So that my thoughts and prayers go out to that family. It absolutely sucks. This is typical Missouri weather. It is so crazy. We had snow a week ago. We had 65-degree temperatures yesterday, then a tornado, and now they're calling for more snow next week. So you just never know what you're going to get here. But like I said, we were very fortunate and blessed that nothing happened here as far as major damage. My parents live on the south side of town, and nothing happened there as well. I think they had one little thing, but it could have been a lot worse. But wanted to take you guys along with me, show you some of the damage. Hopefully you like this content. Like, it's not the brightest content as far as, like, you know, it's not happy, it's not exciting, it's never fun when something like this happens, but wanted to show you nonetheless. So hopefully you guys liked it. If you do, please smash that thumbs up button. Go down and hit the subscribe icon if you haven't already subscribed, and hit the little bell notification. That way you're notified every time we drop a new video. Hopefully we won't have to make any more tornado videos. Hopefully we're out of that. We have had a couple in the last couple of years, but hopefully we're out of that. But stay tuned, guys, to see what we do next.